You are listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. Today is Sunday, June 14th, 2026, and we are looking back at a highly eventful week on Wall Street while setting the stage for what is shaping up to be a critical week ahead. On Friday, the major averages closed on a constructive note to wrap up the week, though June remains a down month overall, sitting lower by about 2.4%. Looking at Friday's closing levels, the S&P 500 rose 0.5% to end at 7,431. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.7%, closing at 51,202, while the Nasdaq Composite ticked up about 0.3% to finish at 25,889. The big headline of the day, and indeed the week, was the historic debut of SpaceX on the Nasdaq. As the largest initial public offering in history at $75 billion, the stock opened at $150, well above its initial price of $135, and popped 19% to close near $161. This brings SpaceX's valuation to roughly $2.1 trillion, making Elon Musk the world's first trillionaire. This landmark debut injected risk-on energy into the broader tape and also boosted Tesla, which gained 1.8% on the session. Geopolitical optimism also supported equity markets as potential peace breakthroughs between the United States and Iran lifted global sentiment. This positive catalyst sparked a major rally in Asian markets on Friday, where Japan's Nikkei index surged 2.7%, and South Korea's Kospi jumped a massive 7.4%. In commodities, we watched a striking divergence play out. Gold futures surged over 3% to settle at $4,239.90, while crude oil fell over 3%, dropping to $84.88. This suggests that while peace optimism is cooling the risk premium on oil, safe haven demand is still driving defensive positioning into gold. Over the weekend, analysts are also debating the steep premium attached to SpaceX's new public valuation. Trading at over 100 times sales, SpaceX is being compared to other national champions like Taiwan Semiconductor, which trades at a more modest 12 times sales, despite generating over $11 billion in quarterly free cash flow and maintaining a massive lead in advanced chip-making. Looking ahead to the coming week, all eyes will be on the Federal Reserve. The Federal Open Market Committee concludes its two-day meeting on Wednesday, June 17th. While interest rates are widely expected to remain unchanged, investors will parse every word from Chair Kevin Warsh's press conference for clues on the future path of monetary policy. We also get retail sales data on Wednesday and the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Survey on Thursday. Keep in mind that U.S. markets will be closed on Friday, June 19th, in observance of the Juneteenth holiday. U.S. futures are scheduled to resume trading this evening at 6 o'clock Eastern Time. Early indications suggest S&P 500 futures will open essentially flat, in line with Friday's close, but they will give us the first real signal of market direction for the week ahead. That's your weekend market review from Seven Horns AI. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you when the bell rings Monday. Visit sevenhorns.ai for more insights.